When it comes to upgrading your home, one of the most important and impactful improvements you can make is replacing or installing a new door. While it may seem like a simple task, door installation is a crucial element of your home's safety, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. In Redmond, Washington, where the weather can vary from damp and chilly winters to sunny summers, having a high-quality, professionally installed door is essential for maintaining comfort, security, and style. In this article, we'll explore the top benefits of choosing professional door installation for your home in Redmond. Enhanced security and safety. One of the most significant reasons to hire a professional for door installation is the improved security and safety of your home. A door is your first line of defense against intruders, and if it is not installed properly, it may be vulnerable to break-ins. Poorly installed doors can leave gaps, misalign the locks, or fail to function as intended, creating easy access points for burglars. A professional installation ensures that your door is properly aligned, securely fastened, and equipped with high-quality locks and hardware. This will prevent unauthorized access and provide peace of mind knowing that your home is more secure. Additionally, professional installers understand how to install doors with the appropriate weatherproofing, which helps keep your home safe from drafts and moisture, particularly during the rainy seasons in Redmond. Improved energy efficiency. Properly installed doors contribute to the overall energy efficiency of your home. Older or improperly installed doors can allow air to leak in or out, which puts extra strain on your HVAC system and increases your energy bills. Gaps, cracks, or ill-fitting frames can significantly affect your home's insulation, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. Professional door installation ensures that your new door is sealed properly, preventing drafts and heat transfer. Modern, energy-efficient doors, such as those with insulated cores or low-E glass, help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. This is especially beneficial in Redmond's climate, where temperature fluctuations can be considerable, and energy efficiency is key to lowering utility bills. Increased home value and curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home, and it can have a huge impact on your home's curb appeal. An old, worn-out door can detract from your home's overall appearance, while a new, professionally installed door can instantly improve the look and feel of your property. Whether you choose a stylish wood door, a modern steel door, or a sleek fiberglass option, a new door can transform the entryway and create a more inviting atmosphere. In addition to enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal, a professionally installed door also increases its market value. If you are planning to sell your home, a high-quality, well-installed door can boost your property's value and attract potential buyers. Real estate professionals often note that homes with updated, secure, and energy-efficient doors tend to sell faster and at higher prices. Better fit and function. Installing a door might seem like a simple DIY project, but the reality is that it requires precise measurements, proper alignment, and the right materials to ensure it functions correctly. A door that is not properly installed can stick, squeak, or fail to open and close smoothly, which can become a hassle over time. Poorly installed doors can also lead to drafts or water infiltration, leading to damage and further maintenance costs. Professional installers have the experience and tools to measure, cut, and fit your new door perfectly. They will ensure that the door opens and closes effortlessly, locks securely, and fits snugly into the frame. With a professional installation, you can rest assured that your door will function properly for years to come, eliminating the risk of issues like sticking or misalignment. Time and stress saving. While DIY door installation might seem like an appealing option to save money, it often leads to frustration and wasted time. Installing a door involves more than just securing it in place. It requires precision, careful measurements, and the proper tools. For homeowners who are not experienced with door installation, it can be a time-consuming and stressful task that leads to mistakes, delays, and extra costs. By hiring a professional, you can save time and avoid the stress of a complicated installation process. Professionals have the experience to get the job done quickly and efficiently, with minimal disruption to your daily routine. They will also take care of all the cleanup, leaving you with a perfect installation and no mess to worry about. Long-term durability and maintenance. A professionally installed door is more likely to last longer and require less maintenance than a DIY installation. When installed correctly, a door functions better, is more resistant to wear and tear, and requires fewer repairs. Whether you choose a wood, fiberglass, or steel door, professional installation ensures that it is sealed and secured properly, which extends the door's lifespan and reduces the likelihood of issues down the road. Additionally, professionals can recommend the best door material for your home and climate. For example, steel doors are excellent for security, while fiberglass doors provide a great balance of durability and energy efficiency. Choosing the right material and ensuring proper installation can help your door last for many years, saving you from the cost of frequent repairs or replacements. Warranty protection. Most professional door installation services come with a warranty, which provides extra peace of mind. If something goes wrong with the installation or the door itself, you can count on the professionals to fix it without incurring additional costs. Many door manufacturers also offer warranties on their products, and professional installers are well versed in how to maintain those warranties by installing the door correctly. Conclusion. Professional door installation in Redmond offers a range of benefits that go beyond just improving the look of your home. From enhanced security and energy efficiency to increased home value and long-term durability, having a door installed by experienced professionals ensures that your home remains safe, functional, and visually appealing. Whether you're upgrading an old door or replacing a damaged one, professional installation is an investment in your home's comfort, safety, and overall performance.